Hi everybody, we are at the Cherry Creek Mall about to head into Nordstrom's. I'm here helping Jason shop for some new threads for his singles event, speed dating. So what are we on the hunt for today?
Yeah, I think after yesterday's talk we were going to do some shoes and maybe a belt or something. Yeah.
Okay.
So let's see it. Let's try it out.
Let's see what we can find. So just point out some shoes that really speak to you or interest you.
I think we were thinking of something more casual, so like something like this. I'm definitely not looking for full dress though.
Okay.
We're not doing
Yeah, that looks like ready for a tuxedo or something.
Eventually. I've just been noticing how even like these shoes that I'm currently wearing can elevate even this very basic Target chinos look. So I'm like, oh yeah, what is more casual tennis shoe? That's kind of cool. What does that do to?
I love a basic white trainer like this.
I've never had a white trainer. I really like this actually.
Do you? Okay.
Yeah, we'll see. But it's one of those interesting things. I like the visuals sometimes more than what actually works on my body.
Okay.
So that's the trick. To find something that works.
Shoes. 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 Oh my god, shoes. Let's get some shoes. Let's get some shoes. Let's get some shoes. Let's get some shoes. 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 Oh my god, shoes.
It's a different thing. Right. And it matches. I think we found it.
Think you'll take it?
Yeah, I think we did. We came here with the goal of a belt or shoes, so we
Perfect.
got a belt.
So we just finished up at Cherry Creek Mall. Unfortunately, it was kind of a bust on the shoes, but we did find a belt, a matching belt for his outfit tonight. So stay tuned. We're gonna find out what he wears tonight and see him right before he goes into his speed dating.
All right, heading out to the speed dating event. Thank you so much, Adam, for helping me out. I am wearing the new belt that we got. Pretty excited. I can't wait to see just exactly where this all takes me. It definitely feels a little awkward fit wearing fancy clothes to a speed dating event, but I mean, it couldn't hurt, I guess. So looking forward to doing this, and thank you so much again for all the support in making this experience just a little bit easier. You definitely helped out with all the stress of shopping. I never like going to malls, so you really helped out doing that. So thank you so much.